If I only had 3 minutes with you, just enough time to plant one seed, it wouldn't be about excitement, it wouldn't be about noise, it would be about control. Every reaction feels justified in the moment. The anger, the defensiveness, the sudden need to explain yourself, the urge to respond immediately. It feels powerful. But here is the truth most people never pause long enough to see. Every reaction hands your control away. The moment you react, you stop leading. Your emotions take the reins, your clarity steps aside, your power leaks out, and the world decide your direction for you. Reactions are automatic. Power is intentional. When someone triggers you and you respond instantly, you have already surrendered authority. Not because you are weak, but because you moved without choosing. Control doesn't mean you don't feel, it means you don't obey every feeling. The strongest people still feel anger, they still feel hurt, they still feel pressure, they just don't let emotion decide their behavior. Think about it. If someone can control your reaction, they can control your state. And if they control your state, they control your power. The pause is your protection. That small moment between feeling and acting is where power is reclaimed. In that pause, you shift from reaction to response, from chaos to command. Today, don't aim to be calm all the time. Aim to be aware. Notice the impulse to react, feel it rise, and then pause. Even one breath is enough to stop the leak. Power doesn't shout, it holds. Reaction gives your power away, responses keep it with you. The one who can pause cannot be controlled. Power doesn't leave you when you stay quiet, it gathers. Every time you pause instead of react, you keep your energy with you. You stop the leak, you reclaim authority. The world will always try to provoke a response. People will test your patience, situations will press your buttons, but the one who can choose instead of explode cannot be controlled. You don't need to prove yourself. You don't need to explain. You don't need to react to be powerful. Control is not loud. It is contained, it is steady, it is deliberate. When you respond instead of react, your mind stays clear, your direction stays yours, your power stays intact, and that is mastery. Power doesn't disappear when you stop reacting, it returns to you. Every emotional reaction is energy leaving your body without your permission. A word spoken too quickly, a message sent too fast, a decision made in heat, and once it leaves, you don't get it back. The world is full of noise, opinions, triggers, pressure. If you react to all of it, you live on someone else's terms. But when you pause, even for a single breath, you come back to yourself. That pause is not weakness, it is command. It says, I am not available for chaos. I do not move without clarity. I decide when my energy moves. Strong people feel deeply, but masters feel and choose. They let emotions rise and then pass. They don't chase them, they don't obey them, they hold the reins. You don't need to win every moment. You don't need the last word. You don't need to prove your point immediately. What you protect today becomes your power tomorrow. Calm is not emptiness, it is contained strength. And the person who can remain calm when others lose control cannot be shaken. So, today, choose one moment, just one, where you pause instead of react. That single moment is where chaos ends and self mastery begins. Thank you for being here.